झारखंड बीएससी नर्सिंग एंड पैरामेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम 2026 MCQs क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। बायोलॉजी का टॉप 100 क्वेश्चन है, इजी टू मॉडरेट। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन से चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनिल लैक अ मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड। कौन सा ऑर्गेनिल है जो लैक करता है मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड्री? ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए न्यूक्लियस, ऑप्शन बी लाइसोसोम, ऑप्शन सी वैक्यूल्स, ऑप्शन डी पेरिक्सोम। So the correct answer is option A, nucleus. Next question. The primary natural pacemaker of the mammalian heart is option A, AV nodes, option B, SN node, option C, bundle of His, option D, Purkinje fiber. The correct answer is option B, SN node. Next question. During which sub-stage of prophase 1 does crossing over take place? Option A, leptotin, option B, zygotin, option C, pacatin, option D, diplotin. The correct answer is option C, pacatin. Next question. The functional sliding filament unit of skeletal muscle contraction is the option A, sarcomere, option B, sarcolemma, option D, sarcoplasm, option D, myofibril. The correct answer is option A, sarcomere. Next question. Carnage anatomy is an anatomically adapted found in option A, C3 plant, option B, C4 plant, option C, CAM plant, option D, halophytes. The correct answer is option B, C4 plant. Next question. The neurophysical hormones responsible for milk ejection reflex during lactation is option A, prolactin, option B, oxytocin, option C, estrogen, option D, progesterone. The correct answer is option B, oxytocin. Next question. In Galvin cycle C3 pathway, the first stable carbon fixation product is option A, 2 carbon compound, option B, 3 carbon compound, option C, 4 carbon compound, option D, 5 carbon compound. The correct answer is option B, 3 carbon compound. Next question. Which immunoglobulin class is present in highest absolute concentration in human blood serum? Option A, IgA, option B, IgM, option C, IgG, option D, IgE. The correct answer is option C, IgG. Next question. Microsporogenesis is the process of the formation of option A, megaspore, option B, pollen grain, option C, embryo sac, option D, endosperm. The correct answer is option B, pollen grain. Next question. The neurotransmitter released across the synaptic cleft at the neuromuscular junction is option A, adrenaline, option B, acetylcholine, option C, dopamine, option D, serotonin. The correct answer is option B, acetylcholine. Next question. What potential of pure water under standard condition without external pressure? Option A 0, option B maximum positive, option C negative, option D 1. The correct answer is option A 0. Next question. Permanent surgical contraceptive method involving the ligation of fallopian tube in female is option A vasectomy, option B tubectomy, option C hysterectomy, option D oophorectomy. The correct answer is option B, tubectomy. Next question. The primary carbolization catalyst in C4 plant is option A, rubisco, option B, PEP case, option C, carbonic anhydrase, option D, hexokinase. The correct answer is option B, PEP case. Next question. Normal resting system blood pressure parameters for a healthy young adult human are option A 120 upon 80 mmHg, option B 140 90 mmHg, 100 upon 60 mmHg, 150 upon 95 mmHg. The correct answer is option A 180 120 upon 80 mmHg. Next question. Apical dominance, the suppression of growth of lateral bud, is predominantly mediated by options A. Auxin, option B. Cytonin, option C. Abscisic acid, option D. Ethylene. The correct answer is option A. Auxin. Next question. The principal reason of the human brain governing body core temperature regulates and hunger divine is options A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C hypothalamus, option D medulla oblongata. The correct answer is option C hypothalamus. Next question. RNA interference operates by silencing of target mRNA through option A double strand RNA molecules, option B tRNA fragments, option C rRNA loops, option D single strand DNA. The correct answer is option A double strand RNA molecules. Next question. Dietary iodine deficiency in adults human population result in clinic manifestation of option A simple goiter, option B cretinism, option C diabetes mellitus, option D Addison disease. The correct answer is option A simple goiter. Next question. During DNA replication, discontinuous synthesis fragments occur on the option A leading strand, option B lagging strand, option C template strand, option D coding strand. The correct answer is option B lagging strand. Next question. The straw color fluid fraction of blood remaining after removal of cellular element and fibrinogen clotting factor is option A serum, option B plasma, option C lymph, option D interstitial fluid. The correct answer is option A serum. Next question. The capacity of a plant cell to regenerated into a full organism is called option A pleiotropy, option B totipotential, option C pluripotential, option D differentiation. The correct answer is option B totipotential. Next question. Spermiogenesis refers especially to the cellular differentiation phase where options A spermatids transfer into mature spermatozoa, option B spermatogonia divides to form primary spermatocytes, option C primary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis, option D spermatogonia are released into lumen. The correct answer is option A spermatocytes transfer into mature spermatozoa. Next question. In angiosperm, the nutritive tissue formed after triple fusion endosperm is characteristically option A haploid, option B diploid, option C diploid, option D tetraploidy. The correct answer is option C, triploid. Next question. The vascular structure core connective developing mammalian fetus placenta is option A, amniotic sac, option B, umbilical cord, option C, chronicle villi, option D, allantosis. The correct answer is umbilical cord. Next question. Golden rice is genetically engineering to provide a rich dietary source of option A, beta carotene, that is vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, iron and zinc, option D, vitamin B12. The correct answer is option A, vitamin A. Next question. The universal compatible red blood cell blood donor group in ABO blood typing system is option A, AB positive, option B, O negative, option C, A positive, option D, B negative. The correct answer is option B, 0 मतलब कि O negative. Next question. The phase of cell cycle where metabolic activity is higher and the DNA replication occur is option A, G1 phase, option B, S phase, option C, G2 phase, option D, M phase. The correct answer is option B, S phase. Next question. The structural and the functional filtration unit of human kidney is the option A, neuron, option B, nephron, option C, alveolus, option D, pyramidal lobules. The correct answer is option B, nephron. Next question. Which ions play a surgical regulatory role in stomach opening and closing mechanism? The option is option A, potassium, option B, magnesium, option C, calcium, option D, iron. The correct answer is option A, potassium. Next question. If I do any mistake, please let me know in the comment section. Question number 13. White blood cells primarily involved in phagocytic and acting as a cellular defense soldier are option A, erythrocytes and platelets, option B, neutrophils and monocytes, option C, eosinophils only, option D, basophils. The correct answer is B, option B, neutrophils and monocytes. Next question. Crossing over results in genetic recombination because it involves exchange of segments between options A, sister chromatids of same chromosome, option B, non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome, option C, homologous chromosomes, option C, non-homologous chromosome, option D, different spindle fiber. The correct answer is option B, non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. Next question. The involuntary respiratory rhythm center controlling ventilation rate is localized in the option A, cerebrum, option B, cerebellum, option C, medulla oblongata, option D, thalamus. The correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. Next question. Cyclic phosphorylation result exclusively in the synthetic of option A, ATP only, option B, ATP and NADPH, option C, NADPH only, option D, glucose. The correct answer is option A, ATP only. Next question. Following ovulation, the ruptured ovarian follicle transforms into an endocrine structure called option A, corpus albulation, और प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग प्लीज़ करेक्ट कर लेना, रीड कर लेना. ओके, ऑप्शन ए कॉर्पस एल्ब्यूकेन, ऑप्शन बी कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम, ऑप्शन सी ग्राफियन फॉलिकल, ऑप्शन डी प्राइमिकल. primary follicle. The correct answer is option B, corpus luteum. Next question. Plant movements in response to touch independence of direction of stimulates are called. Option A, uh, thermotropy, thermotropism. Option B, thermostan, thermontestry. Option C, phototropism. Option D, chemotropism. The correct answer is option B. Next question. The chemical primary chemical form in which nitrogenous metabolic waste is excreted by human kidney is option A, ammonia. Option B, urea. Option C, uric acid. Option D, keratin. The correct answer is option B, urea. Next question. Casparian stripes are deposition band rich in submarine found in the cell wall of roots. Option A, epidermis. Option B, endodermis. Option C, cortex. Option D, pericycle. The correct answer is option B, endodermis. Next question. Salivary amylase integrates carbohydrate digestion in oral cavity functionally optimally at pH. Option A, acidic. Option B, slightly alkaline. Option C, slightly acidic to neutral. Option D, strongly basic. The correct answer is option C, slightly acidic to neutral. The next question. Which plant growth regulator act primarily as an inhibitor including dormancy and stromatal closure under water stress? Option A, auxin. Option B, zeolic acid. Option B, C, abscisic acid. Option D, cytokinin. The correct answer is option C, abscisic acid. 40 number question. The enzymatic agrosomes cap essential for mammalian sperm parental is derived from modification of option A, mitochondria. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, centrioles. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option B, Golgi apparatus. Next question. The number of ATP molecules net gained directly via substrate level phosphorylation during one round of glycolysis. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 8, option D 38. The correct answer is option A 2. Next question. Down syndrome is a chromosomal genetic disorder caused by the presence of extra copy of chromosome. Options A 13, option B 18, option C 21, option D X. The correct answer is option C 21. Next question. Which plant group is considered the amphibians of the plant kingdom? The options is option A, algae. Option B, bryophytes. Option C, pteridophytes. Option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option B, bryophytes. Next question. Surface antigen determining human ABO blood type are chemical markers localized on membranes of option A, leukocytes. Option B, erythrocytes. Option C, thrombocytes. Option D, endothelial cells. The correct answer is option B, erythrocytes. Next question. When a cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, it undergoes. The options is option A, endosmosis and थ्यूग्रीटिली, आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा. ऑप्शन बी प्लाज्मोलाइसिस, ऑप्शन सी lysis, ऑप्शन डी नो चेंज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी प्लाज्मोलाइसिस. ये लिखा है तुर्गीटिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही बहुत क्वेश्चन बचा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? द मास्टर एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड दैट exert hormone control over other peripheral endocrine organ is the option A is thyroid gland, option B pituitary gland, option C adrenal cortex, option D pineal gland. The correct answer is option B pituitary gland. Next question. The start codon in messenger RNA during eukaryotic translation is typically option A AGU, option B UAA, option C UHE, option D UGA. The correct answer is option B UAA. Next question. The volume of air inspired or expired per normal quiet breathing cycle tidal volume is roughly, means tidal volume कितना है? ऑप्शन ए इज 500 ml, ऑप्शन बी 1200 ml, ऑप्शन सी 2500 ml, ऑप्शन डी 4500 ml. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 500. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. restriction endonuclease are enzymes that cut DNA strand at a specific recognition sequence by cleaving option A hydrogen bond, option B phosphodiester bond, option C glycosidic bond, option D peptide bond. The correct answer is option B phosphodiester bond. Next question. Active immunity acquired naturally develops as a direct consequence of option A injection of ready-made therapeutic antibodies, option B natural infection or active vaccination, option C transplacental transfer of IgG, option D colostrum injection. The correct answer is option B, that is natural infection or active vaccination. Next question. The fungal cell wall differs from plant cell by lacking option A chitin, option B cellulose, option C N acetyl alkosamine polymerase, option D protein. The correct answer is option B cellulose. Next question. The functional filtration membrane in renal corpuscle consists of endothelium, basement membrane and foot process of cells called option A is podocytes, option B glial cells, option C astrocytes, option D chondrocytes. The correct answer is option A podocytes. The next question. आधा हो गया, बस आधा क्वेश्चंस बचे हुए हैं. The next question is which organelle act as the primary sites for the synthesis of lipid and steroid hormone? Oh, option A rough endoplasmic reticulum, option B smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option C Golgi apparatus, option D lysosome. The correct answer is option B smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next question. The hormone responsible for stimulating contraction of a gallbladder and secretion of pancreatic enzyme is option A gastrin, option B secretin, option C CCK, that is chlorcytokinin, option D enterogastrone. The correct answer is option C CCK. Next question. Autophagic vacuoles or suicidal bag are formed by the picnic of from पिकनिक क्यों लिखा है, चलो कोई ना. ऑप्शन ए माइट्रोकॉन्ड्रियल, ऑप्शन बी गोल्गी apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum, option C nucleoles, option D plasma membrane. The correct answer is option B Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum. Next question. 56 number. Resting membrane potential of a polarized nerve fiber axon is maintained predominantly due to high permeability and gradient of option A sodium and potassium ion, option B calcium ion, option C chloride ion, option D bicarbonate ion. The correct answer is option A sodium and potassium ion. Next question. 57 number. The phenomena of double fertilization involve fusion of option A syngamy and triple fusion, option B 2 eggs and 1 sperm, option C 2 sperm and 2 egg, option D antipodal cells and synergy. The correct answer is option A syngamy and triple fusion. Next question. Myelin sheets surrounding peripheral nerves axon in vertebrates nervous system are formed by option A Schwann cells, option B astrocytes, option C microglia, option D ependymal cells. The correct answer is option A Schwann cells. Next question. Which plant hormone is known for delaying leaf sensations and promoting cell division? Option is option A auxin, option B gibberellin, option C cytokinin, option D इथाइन. लगता है पानी पीना पड़ेगा. The correct answer is option C cytokinin. Next question. 16 number. The protective outer meningeal layer closest to the skull bone in the central nervous system is the option A pyometer, option B arachnoids matter, option C duometer, option D chronoid pelix. The correct is option C duometer. Next question. Photos active accessory pigment that shield chlorophyll A from photooxidation is option A anthocyanin, option B carotenoid, option C xanthophylls only, option D phagocytin. The correct answer is option B carotenoids. Next question. 62 number. Gastric juice secreted is stimulated by the hormone released from gastric mucosa is called option A gastrin, option B secretin, option C enterocretin side क्या है लिखा है छोड़ा. ऑप्शन डी है रेनिन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए गैस्ट्रिन. ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं बचा है, सिर्फ आंसर बताते रहूँगी. ठीक है, यहाँ से ऑप्शंस को नहीं रीड करूँगी, आप लोग रीड कर लेना. Root pressure root pressure contributes most significantly to water transport when. The correct answer is option B. Transpiration rate is low and absorption is high. Next question. The structural functional protein imparting highest tensile 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 to be strength and elasticity to mammalian skin and tendon is. The correct answer is option A. Collagen. Next question. The structural component responsible for protecting nitrogenous enzymes inside root nodules of legumes is. The correct answer is option B. लेग लेग हीमोग्लोबिन. ये क्वेश्चन कुछ अलग नहीं है, पता नहीं. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी इन ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड. एक सेकेंड, ये क्वेश्चन को गलत है ना, हमको लग रहा है. आप एक बार चेक करके मुझे कमेंट करके बताना, ठीक है, सही है कि नहीं. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी इन ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रेन लीड्स टू द बोन softening disorder called. Option A scurvy, option B rickets, option C beriberi, option D plagara. The correct answer is option B rickets. Next question. The physical basis of heredity and carrier of gene is the correct answer is option B chromosome. Next question. Which respiratory volume cannot be measured directly using a standard clinical spirometer? The correct answer is option B residual volume. Next question. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of genetically different flower on the same plant is called. The correct answer is option B geitonogamy. Next question. The enzyme carbonic anhydrase facilitating rapid bicarbonate transport is concentrated inside. The correct answer is option C red blood cell. Next question. An example of a free living aerobic nitrogen fixing soil bacterium is. The correct answer is option B Exotobacteria. Next question. During muscular contraction cycle, calcium ion binds directly to which regulatory protein to expose myosin binding sites? The correct answer is option A troponin. Next question. Photoperiodic stimulus for flowering is primarily perceived by the plant. The correct answer is option C leaves. Next question. The yellow color of normal human urine is attributed to the presence of metabolic pigment breakdown derivative. The correct answer is option A urochrome. Next question. Tobacco mosaic virus possesses which type of core genetic material? The correct answer is option B single strand DNA, single strand RNA. Next question. Glucocorticoid hormone secreted by the adrenal cortex regulates. The correct answer is option A carbohydrate metabolic and anti-inflammatory response. Next question. Lichens represent a mutualistic symbiotic association between. The correct answer is option A algae and fungi. Next question. The hormone that triggers ovulation of the mature oocytes form the ovarian follicle is a surge in follicles stimulating hormone, lutein hormone, uh, progesterone, estrogen. The correct answer is LH. Next question. Plant cell wall grow by an expansion process known as. The correct answer is option A. Next question. In human ECG recording, the QRS complex especially corresponds to electrical events of option A atrial depolarization, option B ventricle depolarization, option C ventricle repolarization, option D atrial repolarization. The correct answer is option B. Next question. The term muton refers to the smallest unit of. The correct answer is option B mutation. The next question. The primary sites of lipid digestion and complete absorption in the human alimentary tract is the option A stomach, option B duodenum, and small intestine, option C large intestine, option D cesium. The correct answer is option B. 83 number. The enzyme responsible for breaking down water molecules during photolysis in photosystem 2 is activated by. The correct answer is option A. Next question. Which blood coagulation factor is classically known as anti 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 hemophilic factor? Option A is factor 8, option B factor 9, option C factor 10, option D factor 7. The correct answer is option A factor 8. Next question. 85 number. A dicot stem differ from a monocot stem by posing. Then नहीं, और इसका आंसर ना द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. इतना बोल दिया कि लग रहा है कि थक गए. 86 number. Acromegaly in adult human is caused by hypersecretion of growth hormone due to. The correct answer is option B pituitary adenoma in adulthood. Next question. In photorespiration, the initial oxygenase activity of rubisco result in the formation of. The correct answer is option B 1 molecules of PGA and 1 molecule of phosphoglycolate. Next question. इतना बड़ा बड़ा तो नहीं आएगा हार्ड, लेकिन इजी आना चाहिए. बट एग्रीकल्चर का एग्ज़ाम को देखते हुए मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट बनाना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. इसी भी मैंने करवाया है और तो मेरा 2-3 और वीडियो है बायोलॉजी से रिलेटेड जो मैंने उसमें इजी इजी क्वेश्चंस भी हैं. सोचा मैंने थोड़ा इसमें मॉडरेट लेवल का क्वेश्चन बना दूँ. आप लोग और ऐसे ही और क्वेश्चन चाहिए फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का भी तो मुझे कमेंट करके बताना और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर लेना कि आपको जल्दी से ये वीडियो मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ बोन टिश्यू कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय concentrating lamellae surrounding a central Hawaiian canal is an. The correct answer is option A. Next question. The transition reaction bridging glycolysis and Krebs cycle converts pyruvate into. Correct answer is acetyl CoA. Next question. The type of joint found between the atlas and axis vertebrates permitting rotational head movement is a. The correct answer is option B, pivot joint. Next question. In anaerobic respiration, alcoholic fragmentation, pyruvic acid is converted into ethanol and. The correct answer is option A, CO2. Next question. Passive immunity is characterized by transfer of. The correct answer is option A. You can check the option. Preformed antibodies directly to recipient. Next question. Secondary growth in dicot stem is derived by the lateral meristem known as. The correct answer is option C, vascular cambium. Next question. The pigment responsible for light absorption in human rod photoreceptor cells for dim light vision is. The correct answer is option A, rhodopsins, visual purple. Next question. The genetic code is described as degenerated because. The correct answer is option B. Multiple codon can specify a single amino acid. Next question. Sound wave vibration are amplified across middle ear oscillates in sequence. The correct answer is option A. Malleus, incus, stepans. Plasmid used as cloning vector in recombinant DNA technology are extra chromosomal segment found in. The correct answer is B, bacteria. 98 number. The hormones that lower blood calcium level by promoting calcium deposition in bone is. The correct answer is option B. Next question. 99 number. In ecological succession, the stable final community that remains in equilibrium with environment is called. The correct answer is option C, climate community. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अगर इसका PDF चाहिए तो आप लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. अगर नहीं जुड़े हैं मेरे टेलीग्राम से जल्दी से जुड़ जाइए. ठीक है. हाँ, लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन कि द टोटल लंग्स कैपेसिटी TLC of an average adult human is approximately equal to. Option A 1500 ml, option B 3000 ml, option C 4500 ml, 2 6000 ml, option D 500 ml. The correct answer is option C. ओके, चलो जल्दी से इसका PDF अब मैंने टेलीग्राम में दे दिया है. सो आप लोग जाके जल्दी से टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लें और इसका PDF को ले लें. चलो.